Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. Today's video mainly talks about how to maintain the CNC cutting machine using lubricating oil. Here are the machine's guide rails, which require application of machine oil or lubricating oil. These two guide rails also need lubrication. In addition, the two chains shown here should be greased once every 3 months, and the guide rail indicated here should be lubricated every 15 days. If the operating environment causes greater wear, machine oil should be applied more frequently. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.